One night in town, my niggas round, throwing money, them bitches hit the ground, then bring it back up, she bring it back up. Put them in that black truck, so many hoes they lapped up. My niggas leaning, Diddy boppin', let's get it poppin'. I said let's get it poppin'. Just look at how she drop it. Lil' mama certified pro, she need her own show. Sliding down that pole and grind slow. Hell no, I ain't count my dough. I came to blow it all, and get some brains trying to find Miss Know It All. And I got my cup filled, you see how them bucks peel. Young pimp, see I grab me up a chicken just chill. With a stack full of dough, drop it low like a pro, bring it back, that's what's up. All my dogs up in here, plus his hoes everywhere. Niggas stunt like you don't care, throw that money in the air. You say yeah, throw that money in one hand. You say yeah, throw that money in the air. You say yeah, throw that money in one hand. You say yeah, throw that money in the air. You say yeah. I'm high and drunk doing my same dance. They call it Pocahontas, doing that rain dance. Talking dough, I got it, so make it rain, man. Cause the phone retarded, sorta like that rain, man. Borderline insane, man. Look at all these dames, damn. When a nigga getting money, and I'm a changed man. You smell that haze, scent, know my game plan. Tryna get it smacking, I ain't with that game plan. Lil' mama work for every dollar, she drop it low, pop it slow, stop it.